For this question, it states that y is inversely proportional to the square of x, right? So over here, we can write that we can write that y equals to k over x squared, where k is a constant. Okay, and then they want you to find the percentage change in y when x increases by 300%. So what does a 300% increase in x look like? Okay, most people will instinctively think of it as x becoming 3x, but this is wrong. Okay, just think of it this way: if you had $100 originally, okay, and then this amount increases by 100%, right? It can't be still $100, right? The increase in 100% means you plus another $100, right? So if it increases by 200%, it can't be $200 now, right? Your $100 needs to add another $200. So it's 100 plus 2 times of $100. So you end up with $300. This will be a 200% increase in $100. Okay. So similarly, if x increases by 300%, it's not 3x, it's x plus 3x, which is 4x. Okay, bear that in mind. So when x increases by 300%, sub x equals to 4x. Okay, so now we let z be represented by k over 4x squared, which is k over 16x squared. Okay, then here's the important thing. You want to isolate this thing, right? Because you want to know how z is related to y. And you know that y equals to kx squared. So if you can factorize out the kx squared, you can see how they're related. So in this case, you want to remove the 16, right? You can take it out as 1 over 16 times k over x squared. Okay, you factorize out 1 over 16. And then now, since kx squared, we know it's equal to y, you can replace that with just y. So we rewrite this statement: z equals to 1 over 16y. We know how z is related to y. It's 1 over 16 of the value of y. Okay, so you want to find the percentage change in y, right? When x increases by 300%. So since z represents what y would be when x increases by 300%, we just compare the new value, 1 over 16y, with the original value, which was y. So how do you calculate percentage change? You take the new value minus the old value over the old value times 100%, right? If you had 60 marks, and then you had 60 marks in term 1, and then in term 2 you had 80 marks, right? You calculate the percentage change by taking 80 minus 60 over the original value times 100%. So it's the same thing here, right? Our new value is 1 over 16y minus the old value of y over the old value of y times 100%. Okay, 1 over 16y minus y. If it's confusing to think about that, just factorize out y. And then you'll have 1 over 16, because 1 over 16y divided by y is 1 over 16, right? And y divided by y is 1. So 1 over 16 minus 1 over y times 100%. So you see the y cancels out. And then the rest you can just type into your calculator and get the answer, which would be negative 93.75%. Okay. So another thing to take note, here they're asking for percentage change. So if it's a decrease, you need the negative sign here. Some questions they might ask for percentage decrease, in which case you cannot write the negative sign. The percentage decrease would be 93.75%. Alright, positive, it's a positive decrease. But since they ask for percentage change, you got to write the negative sign there.